Cellphone ko.
Alright. Again, congratulations to Rabbit and Angela for their debut film.
Ano masasabi mo?
Alam niyo po, meron po, pagising ko ng umaga, nabasa ko yung mga reviews. Lalo po kinabahan ko.
Because it's spread word on our socials. Iba ang init ng pagtanggap sa ating rising young actors na si Rabbit, Agnes, and Angela Gucci. Kaya sana mag-translate ito sa pelikulang ito. Simula January 14, 2 nights to go. Dalawang tulog na lang po. Mapapanood natin in cinemas nationwide.
Angela, pinababa yung bigat guys para mas marami makanood. Ano masasabi mo?
Kasi mas madami makakapanood na movie na.
Yes, again to all our ticket holders right now, proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all our ticket holders right now, proceed inside Cinema 2.
Watch na abangan mga kapatid natin, mapapanood na sa January 14.
Yes po, January 14 na po.
Okay, once again, thank you everybody who came here tonight despite our traffic. That's always been there. And so,
Thank you, guys.
Very safe and sound. And we hope that you guys are very happy meeting them in person. And let's show support sa ating radyo, sa ating social media. Ipapala na magandang balita. And let's make it trend. Again, we've got our 2 official hashtags for tonight. A hashtag, a werewolf boy PH, and hashtag, a werewolf boy
Binato niya ako.
night.
Rabbit and Angela, anong message nyo sa isa't isa?
Excited na ang lahat? Nakapag-picture na ba ang iba? Don't you worry everybody because they will go up here later on. Kaya naman hold on to your devices, your cameras, and your phones. Dahil maya-maya lang, tapos makikita nyo sila because they will be walking up here on stage. And by the way, to the rest of the cast, please do stand by because we'll call you on later for a quick photo op here on stage. Once again, to the rest of the cast, we'd like to invite you later on. Let's have Rabbit Agnes and Angela Gucci on stage. Once again, Rachel is about to walk right over here sa ating stage. Alright, looking handsome and gorgeous tonight. Rachel! Hello, Rabbit! Hello, Angela! Careful going up. Okay, here's the microphone. Patingin nyo na lahat ng fans ninyo ngayong gabi.
Hello everyone! Good evening! Thank you po for coming here. We're just as excited as you are.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. At ito na po, may pelikula na po tayo. Sobrang iba po yung kaba namin ni Angela ngayon. Wala po kami masabi sa inyo. Pero maraming salamat po.
Mukhang naiiyak na sila sa support ang ipinapakita ninyong lahat. Kaya naman ngayon, Would you like to invite them January 14?
Ngayon po, inibitahan ko po kayo na manood ng Werewolf Boy sa...
January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Buy your tickets na po.
There you have it, Derek. Please stay here with them. Let's have your photos taken. And the rest of the cast, may we invite... Okay, sa loob na lang daw ang mga cast. Okay, to all the ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. At sa mga walang ticket, don't you worry. 2 nights na lang ang aantayin nating lahat. Mapapanood na natin sabay-sabay a Werewolf Boy in cinemas nationwide. Let's go inside. Careful going to fans who came to support you guys.
Okay. You can go first kasi masyado mahaba yung sabihin ko.
Ayun po, una-una po sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat po sa lahat ng tao dito. Gusto ko po magpasalamat na pumunta kayo dito para supportahan po yung pelikula natin. And sana po ma-enjoy po natin yung movie. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi. After the film, I'm very sure na maiiba ang tingin nyo kay Robin at Akila. Mahuhusay na artista, wala akong masabi, lahat ng review ay positive. Kaya salamat sa pagpunta.
Should I say the long message now or save it for later?
It's now.
It's now. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here. Tonight, my heart is so full and I just have a lot to thank for. First and foremost, kay God. Thank you kay God dahil endless yung blessings na binibigay niya po sa akin, yung guidance niya. And I'm just so grateful to Him for bringing these beautiful and amazing people into my life. To Viva, to Boss Vic, for seeing the potential in me and believing me, for changing the trajectory of my life. I'm eternally grateful to you, Boss Vic. Maraming salamat po. To Boss Veronique, who is like our mother, who never fails to guide us in everything that we do. To Boss Vincent, to Boss Val, to all the Viva bosses. We wouldn't be standing here without your trust. So thank you so much. To my family, my papa, my mom in heaven, my lolo in heaven, my egg, and to everyone else who I love, my kuya CJ. Thank you for being my home. To my friends who have never left me since day one, I love you. Thank you so much. And there's just a lot in my head. I thank you to my Viva mommies, my Mama Barbs, my Mama Pao, Miss Neen, Sir Jean. Okay, I don't know if I forgot someone. Miss Sydney, my Viva Beauty family. Thank you so much po. And to Direct Chris, thank you for believing in me when I couldn't believe in myself. For bringing out the best in us on set. Thank you so much po to Direct Jack, Direct MJ, Miss Chrisma, to my co-actors, Miss Candy Pangilinan, Miss Lorna Tolentino, Albie Casino, and the rest of our co-actors. And Viva Films, thank you so much. To the team behind A Werewolf Boy, this wouldn't be special without you and your hard work. Thank you so much po. And of course, to my leading man, Robin, thank you for being my strength and for walking this journey with me. And of course, sa fans po namin, Jalabs, Tabins, and Rabjels. Thank you so much po. To everyone here tonight who made an effort to come here and support us, we are so grateful to you. Thank you so much po from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you again and enjoy the show.
And Direct Chris, I think you want to
Gusto ko lang
invite...
production staff ko, sila Chrisma, sila MJ, sila Jack, lahat po ng part ng Werewolf Boy production staff and post-production. Punta po kayo dito. I want to see all of you.
Yes, and of course, we'd like to call, of course, we have everyone here, Miss Candy
Pati yung ibang
Pangilinan,
cast din.
Sir Jeffrey Dago, Anika Cole, Miss Angel Raimundo, Rafi Tejada, Onel Torres, Boaz Mariano, Francis Mada, Simon Ibarra, Omar Flores, Ruslan Jacob, Luna Amor Buniag, Louis Manansala, and Kanye Avendano. Would like to call in all of you, the cast members who are here with us tonight, and of course, the staff and crew and production of Werewolf Boy.
Sila Joshua, sila Ulap, sila Meg, nasan kayo? Gusto ko lang i-present sa inyo yung gumawa ng A Werewolf Boy, everyone.
Yes, hindi mabubuo ito kung hindi dahil sa kanilang lahat.